creators, how is everybody doing today? Today is, what day is it? Today is Wednesday, September 26, 2018. And I am coming on here to do some drill with me on my latest diamond painting. And I will show you which one it is. This one is from Sophie Beauty Official Store. And it is a watercolor rooster, hen, and chicks. And I had started this at my house on my phone last night, and I didn't like the way the video came out, so I thought I would backtrack and start fresh. So let's switch to the overhead, and I'll show you where I am right now. Okay, so I've gotten a small portion done on this corner. And the colors are very muted, and I'm not sure you can really appreciate all the different shades that are in there, but it's really, really pretty. And now I am on to a section that is going to have a lot of black. I'll show you these symbols. They are horrendous. There are so many that look identical, you really have no idea which one you're looking for. And I'm torn between using my light window or not using it, because if you use your light window, it is harder to tell the subtle color changes that go between like these two symbols here. Where, see, there you go, 934 and 938. One of them is a bluish and the other one has a muted pink in the background. And if you have the light on, it's difficult to tell which color is which. And these symbols appear right next to each other. So it's been a chore. Again, I really don't think I would be ordering from Sophie Beauty again. There's a lot of rivers and creases in here, in the canvases, and the symbols are conflicting and difficult to read. So I think I would go with a different company from now on. And I just did a look-see on my order status, and see here, there's even drills that are popping off of here. I don't know if I can find the one that popped off. I will have to look for it. But apparently all my other diamond paintings that are coming from AliExpress are being held for me at my post office because I'm not at the house in New York right now. So let's see, that is a 3752 that is missing. Get that in there. And I just figured I would turn on the video and let you watch with me. And now the symbol I'm working with is 310, and it looks like it is a biohazard or radioactive symbol. Good luck trying to find this. No, is that the white one? Yes. Okay, there it is. So this is 310, which is, everybody knows, is black. It's the DMC color for black. These symbols are really, really hard to read. Here's one. Nope, that went in the wrong place. Even though I know what I'm looking for, I'm still having a hard time here. So it's supposed to rain. I see some thunderheads rolling in. We had a nice day yesterday. Went to a football game. We have a family down here that we basically adopted. I'm just madly in love with them. It's husband and wife. They're about my son's age, so 30s, 40s. I'd say 30s. And they have 4 beautiful kids, and they're raised right. They know what discipline is. They certainly know what hard work is. They really work very, very hard. And I just love hanging out with them. Evan is the father. He does a lot of work for us, so. And him and his 2 sons come and do our lawn for us. And they're like 7 and 9, and they work so hard. He does the mowing on the mower while they do the weed whacking. And when you have a 2 to 3 acre front yard, you're talking about a lot of weed whacking. So they work real hard. But the youngest boy, Ethan, had a football game last night, so we went, and it was a lot of fun. He did real well. He's really good. And his nickname is Peanut, and because he is tiny. But Evan's yelling out from the stands, "Go, Peanut!" And I told him, I says, I could just imagine, I can just hear Ethan saying, "Dad, stop calling me Peanut in front of all the guys." But he is so cute. All right, wow, that's it. I don't see any more radioactive signs. Okay. That certainly wasn't much 310. So I'm waiting for a guy to come. He was also at the game last night. He ended up sitting behind me. To hydro seed the wall that we had excavated out here behind. Let's see if you can see. If you look out my back window there, you see a wall of red clay. And that is, that used to be part of a hillside that came all the way down to this building, and in fact covered the building up to 6 feet. And the building was unusable because it was all wet and moldy and everything from all of the wet dirt laying up against the building for all these years. So we ended up having that excavated out, and now we're having troubles with erosion. So we have a guy coming today to hydro seed. Okay, let's backtrack and fix these things. So I don't know how much more I'll have to say. Can't really think of anything to talk about right now. I'm excited to get home and see these new paintings that I got. And then I gotta go back to New York and pack up the rest of my stuff and make the move down here. We went and looked at a tractor yesterday. We might be getting ourselves a tractor. It's hard to manage 70 acres without a tractor. Okay. I don't know how many times I look at this, and I think I got them all, and I'll come back and look again, and sure enough, there's another one I missed. back. I've finished another small section, and I believe this is one of the chicks that's coming into view here. I think that might be, let's see, this might be the comb on the chick. Not really sure yet, but that's what I'm thinking it is. This is a real bear to try and do a drill along, because the symbols are so similar, and if I use top lighting so you can see the colors, the shine on it is too harsh and I can't see the canvas. And if I use this one, it kind of dulls out the colors for you. And again, unless I'm right on top of this symbol field, I really can't see it. And to make matters even worse, if you look at this ledger, they have stretched it. I don't know why, what possessed them to do that, but they stretched it out. It's almost 1.5 times as high as it should be. So when you're looking for, let's see if I can find it. Let's see. Let's see if I can find you an example. If we look at this X, which you can barely read, and then look at it below, the one on the canvas is square. This one is rectangular. So that is adding to my frustrations. So I don't know how well I can actually do a drill along with this. Sitting here at this awkward angle trying to get the lighting just right is just a beast. So I think I'm going to march forward on this, and I will come back periodically and give you some updates and let you know how the process is going. And then, you know, maybe once I move over, you know, into, oh my God, into this area, it might be easier. I don't know. But the similarity of these symbols being piled on top of each other and having them stretched in the legend, wow, you know, this is a horrendous canvas. It really is. And I'm extremely disappointed because I was so looking forward to this. And now I'm dreading the fact that I still have one more to go. So yeah, definitely will not be ordering from Sophie Beauty Official Store again. So yeah, I'll bring you back and show you my progress. And I will go for now.